Hello everyone, my name is Avinash Subhash Chauhan, Assistant Professor at Ravsaheb Patil Danve College of Pharmacy, Badnapur. I have already explained unit first, that is benzene and its derivative. So I have start next unit, that is the phenol, in which what are the acidity of phenol, effect of substituent on phenol. So let's start one by one. Phenols are more acidic than aliphatic alcohol but less acidic than carboxylic acid. Phenol is considered to be weakly acidic character, and when it dissolves in water dissociate and gives a stable phenoxide ion. When phenol molecule dissociate with the water molecule, they give a stable phenoxide ion. Phenol itself gives phenoxide ion. On dissociation it is stable due to the resonance. See in this, when alcohol reacts with a water molecule or dissociated, they give alkoxide ion and hydronium ion, but in alkoxide ion there is a no resonance. Let's see in there, when phenol molecule dissociate with a water molecule, they give the phenoxide ion, but this phenoxide ion gives a resonance. Due to the resonance stabilization of phenoxide ion, the negative charge on the oxygen is delocalized onto the ortho and para carbon atom. Let's see, when phenol dissociated, that gives a phenoxide ion, and lone pair of electron present on the oxygen atom, they shifted or changes their places and they move in between the carbon and oxygen. They delocalize between carbon and oxygen, and ultimate simultaneously their one pi bond is broken. Let's see, there is a negative charge at the ortho position and the double bond formation or pi bond formation in between the carbon and oxygen. This ortho position containing a lone pair of electrons shifted in between these two carbon, and this pi bond is break and lone pair of electron goes to the para position. See in this structure, there is a one bond is formed and bond break, and the para position containing a lone pair of the electrons. And at the last step, this bond is shifted and there is a one bond is formed and one bond is break, and at a final stage there is a phenoxide ion obtained. Resonance, that is a continuous process, but in first and last structure there is a changes places of the double bond due to the resonance or the delocalization of the electron. The negative charge is spread throughout the benzene ring and thereby effectively dispersed. This charge delocalization is act as a stabilizing factor in the phenoxide ion, but in other hand, no resonance is possible in alkoxide ion derived from the alcohol. Hence, alcohols are less acidic than phenols. In simple language, alkoxide ion they do not give any resonance, but phenoxide ion gives the resonance. Hence, this phenoxide ion is a more acidic as compared to the alkoxide ion. Next, what are the effect of substituent on the acidity? If any substituent present on the phenol ring or on the carbon atom, what are the effect on the acidity? There are two different effects. Let's see one by one. Effect of the electron withdrawing substituent. An electron withdrawing group such as nitro, chloro, cyano, CHO and acidic group, that is aldehyde and acidic group, present on the aromatic ring is a acid strengthening, म्हणजे acid increasing. It facilitates the ring to withdraw more electron from the phenoxy oxygen. This stabilizes the phenoxide ion still further and result in a stronger acid. If electron withdrawing group, for example nitro group, present on the phenoxide ion, due to the electron withdrawing capacity, they withdraw, or they due to their high capacity they withdraw electron towards itself. For example nitro group, if nitro group present on the phenoxide ion, nitro group itself gives 2 resonance in their group and phenoxide ion gives a 4 resonance. Due to the high resonance and high electron withdrawing capacity, these are the more acidic. Example, paranitrophenol are more acidic than phenol. Why paranitrophenol is more acidic? due to the electron withdrawing group present on the para position and in the phenol ring or the phenoxide ion. But other effect of the electron releasing substituent, an electron releasing or donating group such as CH3 or CH3, that is methyl methoxy amino, present on an aromatic ring is an acid weakening. अगर methoxy और methyl group present है, that is the electron releasing or donating group, they donate the electron pair and at an oxygen atom there is a increasing the electron density. So it strengthens the negative charge on the phenoxy oxygen and inhibition of the charge delocalization due to the resonance is happen. This stabilizes the phenoxide ion and result in a weaker acid. अगर तुम्हारे ऑक्सीजन में ऑलरेडी कोई भी लोन पेयर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन प्रेजेंट है और अदर कोई भी ग्रुप जैसे कि मिथॉक्सी और मिथिल ग्रुप अगर और इलेक्ट्रॉन डोनेट करता है तो तुम्हारा फिनॉक्सी आयन अनस्टेबल होता है ड्यू टू दी इलेक्ट्रॉन रिलीजिंग सब्सटीट्यूएंट अगर हो गया तो दिस कंपाउंड आर वीक एसिडिक. Example is paracrisol is less acidic than phenol. In a phenol there is no any electron donating group, but in a paracrisol there is electron group present. Due to that, the phenol is a more acidic as compared to the paracrisol. Next one, when phenol molecule paranitrophenol dissociate, they gives paranitrophenolxide. Let's see in this reaction. When paranitrophenol reacts with water molecule dissociate, they gives a paranitrophenolxide ion. But in resonance, the phenoxide ion gives 4 resonance, paranitrophenolxide ion gives 6 resonance. Why? Nitro group itself gives 2 resonance. Let's see in this reaction. When a paranitrophenolxide ion, there is a delocalization occurs in between the carbon and oxygen, and ultimate there is alternate pi bond is broken. Why pi bond is broken? Sigma bond is very strong as compared to the pi bond, hence pi bond is broken. So at a ortho position there is a lone pair of electron present. There is also delocalization occurs in between these two carbon, and this pi bond is break and the shifted electron to the para position. See in this reaction there is a one bond formation, and para position they containing the lone pair of the electron. But this resonance continues in a nitro group. There is a nitro group, there is double bond formation in between the carbon and nitrogen, and this bond break and they donate lone pair of electron towards the oxygen. See in this structure there is also resonance in between nitro group. This lone pair of electrons shifted in between nitrogen and oxygen, and this bond break and negative charge goes at a para position. In this, after that, this delocalization also occurs and they gives at a ortho position, and further at a para phenoxide ion is formed. So in a resonance structure there is only changes of the double bond positions in a ring. That is a continuous process. They give a continuous resonance due to the electron withdrawing group such as nitro group. They gives resonance. If more resonance, acidity of electron, acidity of that group or phenoxide ion, paraphenoxide ion is increases. Resonance increases, acidity of that group increases. Next one, effect of substituent and acidity. Acidity order of nitro substituted phenols or why? Next question, that is why paranitrophenol is more acidic than nitrophenol. See here, paranitrophenol is more acidic than orthonitrophenol. Why this occurs? So in see in the next lecture, next slide. If consider X is a electron withdrawing group, they withdraw electron from the phenoxide ion. See in this, X stabilizes the ion. If electron withdrawing group present on the ring, electron releasing withdrawing electron from ring, so decreases electron density in oxygen atom or at oxygen atom. अगर यहाँ पे इलेक्ट्रॉन की डेंसिटी कम हो गई तो increases the stability of phenoxide ion, ultimately increases the acidity. So conclusion क्या है? If any electron withdrawing group present on the phenol ring, they increases the acidity of phenol. Why? If electron withdrawing group present, they gives more resonance as compared to the phenoxide ion. Hence इलेक्ट्रॉन विड्रॉइंग ग्रुप अगर प्रेजेंट है तो एसिडिटी बढ़ती है. नेक्स्ट वन, सी इन दिस reaction there is a Y, that is a electron donating or releasing group present. If electron donating or releasing group present, they donate the electron towards the phenoxide ion. They donate electron to ring, increases the electron density on oxygen atom. They decreases stability of phenoxide ion, hence decreases the acidity. Conclusion: if any electron donating group present on the phenol ring, they decreases the acidity of phenol due to the increasing the electron density on the oxygen atom. Next question, that is the acidity order of nitro substituted phenols, or why. See, in this reaction, this compound is known as a picric acid 2,4,6 trinitrophenol. There is a 3 nitro group. In this 2,4 dinitrophenol, there is a 2, there is a 1, and there is a no nitro group in a phenol ring. If nitro group, that is electron withdrawing group, nitro group itself gives a 2 resonance. Nitro group is a electron withdrawing group. If more electron withdrawing group on the phenol, more will be the acidity. Hence 2,4,6 trinitrophenol is more acidic as compared to 2,4 dinitrophenol, and 2,4 dinitrophenol is more acidic as compared to paranitrophenol, and paranitrophenol is more acidic as compared to the phenol. Let's see, phenol gives a 4 resonance, paranitro gives a 6 resonance, 2,4 dinitro gives 8 resonance, and 2,4,6 trinitro picric acid gives a 10 resonance structure. Next, why paranitrophenol is more acidic than orthonitrophenol and metanitrophenol. See, in a paranitrophenol, that is a more acidic as compared to orthonitrophenol, metanitrophenol, and plain phenol. There is a resonance effect. They give resonance, resonance, resonance. Let's see, when a nitro group, that is electron withdrawing group, gives resonance, here is a resonance occurs at a para and ortho position, but a no resonance occur at a meta position. And electron withdrawing from ring, that is, let's see, nitro group at a para position, high electronic effect, high resonance effect, but there is a no resonance effect on nitro group, but due to the electron withdrawing group, they have more acidity as compared to the phenol. Next, why paranitrophenol is more acidic than orthonitrophenol. अगर सर निगेटिव चार्ज तो पैरा पोजिशन पे भी आता है, ऑर्थो पोजिशन पे भी आता है, तो पैरानाइट्रोफिनॉल इज व्हाई मोर एसिडिक एज कंपेयर टू ऑर्थोनाइट्रोफिनॉल. लेट्स बी एक्सप्लेन इन नेक्स्ट. In a orthonitrophenol, the distance between the hydroxyl group, this is hydroxyl group, and nitro group is minimum, hence they form the intramolecular hydrogen bonding. दोनों को बीच में डिस्टेंस बहुत ही कम है, इसके लिए ऑक्सीजन फ्रॉम द नाइट्रो ग्रुप एंड हाइड्रोजन फ्रॉम द हाइड्रोक्सिल ग्रुप, दे फॉर्म द intramolecular hydrogen bonding. Hence, due to the hydrogen bonding occurs in a molecule, there is a difficulty in donating H plus ions and act as a less acidic if they do not donate H plus ion easily. But let's see, in a paranitrophenol, the distance between hydroxyl group and nitrogen group or nitro group is a maximum. They do not form any intramolecular hydrogen bonding, hence they easily donate the H plus ions. Hence, paranitrophenol is more acidic. In conclusion, in paranitrophenol, the maximum distance between hydroxyl and nitro group, hence they do not form hydrogen bonding. They easily donate H plus ion. Hence, paranitrophenol is more acidic than orthonitrophenol. Thank you.